Want to automate your business and look like a pro? In just a few minutes, you'll have your own booking website ready to go. Let's dive in. First, head over to the App Store, search for Bookme Biz, and hit download. Once you open it, creating an account is a breeze. Just enter your email, set a strong password, and you're in. Check your inbox for that one-time code. If it's not there, give your spam folder a quick look. Enter the OTP and boom, half the work is already done. Now let's unlock the full power of Bookme Pro. The best part? You can start your free trial right now with $0 due today. It's a risk-free way to see how much easier your life is about to get. Just confirm with Apple Pay, and you're officially a pro. Time to set up your shop. Step 1, create your first service. Let's say a classic haircut for $30. Set your duration, 30 minutes sounds about right, and hit save. Next, add yourself as the specialist. I'll put Marcus as the top barber. Set your working hours, pick your days off, and your calendar is officially live. Let's make it look like you. Give your company a name. We'll go with Frysor, and add a quick description. Now, this is important. Pick a custom domain name that's easy for your clients to remember. Add your address so Google Maps can lead them straight to your door. Finally, pick a professional background and upload your logo. Look at that. Your brand new booking site is ready for the world, and there you have it. Your dashboard is all set, showing your full schedule. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a new booking. Your link is ready to be shared on Instagram, Facebook, or via text. Happy booking!